seen our previous video. I think you all have revised from the book also that same part. Let us start our next part. That is, as we were discussing in previous video, that is variation in shape. And as we know, there are the various shapes. I have tell some shapes, the names in our previous video. Cells exist in different shapes, you all know this thing. Then the shapes can be disc shaped, rectangular shaped, branched, or it can be even irregular in shape. We are going to discuss here about three type of shapes. What are these shapes and what are their functions? If we will discuss about the nerve cells. Nerve cell, what will happen here? It is a diagram of nerve cell. You all have drawn this already. You have done the same diagram in your 8th class also. इसका function क्या होता है? It will transport the messages to all parts of the body. Transport messages to all parts of the body. Okay, you know this point already. इसकी shape कैसी है? Elongated in shape. It is elongated in shape. Clear? So these are the dendrites. ये क्या है? Dendrites. इसके अंदर क्या होगा? Nucleus. It is cytoplasm. I know you all know these points already, but we are discussing some more about this because we are discussing about the variation in their shapes. Okay, dendrites. It is here nucleus. It is cytoplasm. These small structures which I have drawn here, it is myelin sheath. It is myelin sheath. जो किसकी बनती है? प्रोटीन की. It is made up of proteins. और ये किस लिए है? Because to protect the axon part. इसकी protection के लिए, axon part की protection के लिए. And these are here nerve endings. These are the nerve endings here. So we are discussing about the shapes. It is about nerve cells. Shape is elongated. Shape कैसी है? Elongated. Nerve cell है as the nerve. इनका function क्या होता है? Transport messages to all parts of the body. क्योंकि जो brain ने इनको indication दी है, as the brain will instruct them, they will function the same. Next, muscle cells. Muscle cells की shape कैसी होगी? These will be spindle shaped. These will be spindle shaped. And as we know कि muscles का function क्या होता है? They will help in the movement. Help in the movement by. They will help in the movement by expansion and contraction. By these two ways, these will help in the movement of the body parts. And the shape is spindle shaped. Clear? One more shape I have drawn here. These are the skin cells. Skin cells covers a large area. Skin cells covers a large area, and these are the flat cells. Means इनकी shape कैसी है? Flat in shape. These are flat in shape. So we have discussed here three type of shapes. That is nerve cells, muscle cells, and skin cells. I think all these 3 points are clear to you. Now our next part is, what is a cell made up of? What is a cell made up of? Means cell बनती किससे है? Means cell के main components क्या हैं? If we will discuss about the main components of the cell, we have done earlier also कि cell के 3 main components हैं. 3 main components कौन से हैं cell के? These are the cell components. 3 main components. First one is nucleus. Second one is cytoplasm. And the next one is, you can say, cell membrane. Okay. अब nucleus. 3 main components है cell के. Nucleus. It is called as the brain of the cell. Brain of the cell. It is covered by a double layered covering that is called as nuclear membrane. डबल लेयर्ड कवरिंग से कवर है जिसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन. एंड देयर इज अ सेमी सॉलिड सब्सटेंस प्रेजेंट इन इट दैट इज कॉल्ड एज न्यूक्लियोप्लाज्म. द क्वेश्चन इज दैट कि न्यूक्लियोप्लाज्म क्या है. न्यूक्लियोप्लाज्म इज दैट इट इज अ सेमी सॉलिड सब्सटेंस प्रेजेंट इन द nucleus. Okay, now if we will discuss about here one more point, chromosomes. What are chromosomes? These are the thread-like structures which are present in the nucleoplasm. Okay, these are present here. इन पे क्या है, genes. chromosomes पे क्या present है, genes which carry hereditary information. And what is that? It means transfer of characters from parents to the offspring. Characters को transfer करना parents से offspring में. Clear? Question is when the chromosomes will be visible. ये visible कब होंगे? When the cell is about to divide. Okay? When the cell is about to divide. Firstly, these will be in the form of the chromatin. पहले ये chromatin की form में होंगे. But when the cell is about to divide, these will be in the form of the chromosomes. Clear? Now, second part is first one is nucleus. Second is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is the jelly-like substance. Okay, it is jelly-like substance. इसमें क्या है? जो भी सेल ऑर्गेनेलीज हैं, these all will be embedded here. Clear? सेल ऑर्गेनेलीज जो भी सेल में वर्क करेंगे, लाइक माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया इज देयर. और से क्या बोलते हैं, व्हाट वी कॉल माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया? वी कॉल माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया एज पावर हाउस ऑफ द सेल. माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया को हम क्या बोलते हैं, पावर हाउस ऑफ द सेल. व्हाट इज द कॉल द किचन ऑफ द सेल? गिव मी आंसर. टेल टू योरसेल्फ. ओके, क्लोरोप्लास्ट. इसे हम क्या बोलते हैं, किचन ऑफ द सेल इज कॉल्ड एज क्लोरोप्लास्ट. क्लियर? one more are there, that is endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum called as commonly ER. vacuoles means जो भी cell organelles होंगी, these all will be there in the cytoplasm. Clear? जो भी cell organelles होंगी सारी किस में embedded होंगी? These all will be there in the cytoplasm. Okay, now we will just start our third part, third cell component, that is cell membrane. We will start now third component. Third component कौन सा है? That is cell membrane. Okay, membrane की जरूरत क्यों पड़ी? अब ये तो है ना कि सेल में कुछ भी आए कुछ भी चला जाए. No, it should not be there because it is not good for the cell. It can damage the cell. It is there because it will select then which materials will in and out of the cell. Clear? You can say call it or plasma membrane. You may call it plasma membrane also. Why it is important? It is important because it will select the materials. It will select the materials which should be come in and which should be out of the cell. Means ये allow करेगी, it will allow entry and exit of the materials from the cell. Okay, clear to all? As it will do the selection of materials, that is why it is called as selectively permeable membrane. As it will select the materials, it will called as selectively permeable membrane. Clear? Is there any doubt still? three components which we have done, these are over now. Now we will start next part, that is plasma membrane or cell membrane. Okay, we are going to start this part now, plasma membrane or cell membrane. As I tell now कि जो इसका फंक्शन है, फंक्शन क्या है, सिलेक्शन करना मटेरियल का. इट विल सेलेक्ट द मटेरियल. ओके, सिलेक्शन ऑफ मटेरियल फॉर द इन एंड आउट ऑफ द सेल. एज इट विल डू सिलेक्शन ऑफ मटेरियल्स, देन व्हाट विल हैपन, कुछ सब्सटेंस, some substances like CO2 and O2, CO2 and O2, इनका एक्सचेंज होगा, गैसेस का एक्सचेंज. गैसेस का एक्सचेंज इट मीन्स किससे होगा, देयर इज अ टर्म डिफ्यूजन. डिफ्यूजन के थ्रू डिफ्यूजन देयर विल बी द एक्सचेंज ऑफ गैसेस. Exchange of gases through diffusion. Clear? Now exchange कैसे होगा? Now we will see if there is a CO2 is high concentration inside the cell. अगर CO2 की concentration सेल के अंदर ज्यादा है, in the external environment, जो सेल के बाहर का environment है उसके comparatively, okay, the concentration is low. अगर CO2 की कंसंट्रेशन सेल के अंदर ज्यादा है कंपैरेटिवली जो उसके एक्सटर्नल एनवायरनमेंट के, जो कि उसके अंदर कम है, सो व्हाट विल हैपन, जो ज्यादा है वो निकल जाएगी. अगर सी इफ देयर इज हाई कंसंट्रेशन इनसाइड, लो इज इनसाइड, इन दोनों में क्या आ गया कंसंट्रेशन में, डिफरेंस. कंसंट्रेशन डिफरेंस विल कम, कंसंट्रेशन डिफरेंस इज देयर. If there is the difference of their concentration, then what will happen, जो excess CO2 है it will be move out by the process of diffusion. Move out by the process of diffusion. So diffusion क्या है, diffusion is the spontaneous movement of the substances. It is the spontaneous movement of substances from a region of higher concentration to a region of lower concentration. Okay, it was about the CO2. If you talk about the O2, it is also same. अगर अंदर ज्यादा है comparatively इसके external environment में, it will also move out of the cell by the process of diffusion. So we can say in the diffusion what is there, exchange of gases. Now one more is there in this, osmosis. Osmosis क्या है, it is the passage of water. It will allow the passage of water through this process. So here we can say it is also the movement of the water molecules, the movement of the water molecules, okay, through a means semi-permeable membrane to a region of the higher concentration to the region of lower concentration. High to lower concentration, through it will be selectively permeable membrane. Now you will revise this once from your books. Next we will do about the types of the solution.